Today I am reviewing the Roborock Qrevo S5V Robot Vacuum and Mop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Hey everyone, today we are taking an in-depth look at a device that represents the absolute pinnacle of hands-free home cleaning. If you're tired of spending your weekends pushing a heavy vacuum or dragging around a dirty mop bucket, you're going to want to hear this. We are breaking down the incredibly powerful, fully automated Roborock Qrevo S5V Robot Vacuum and Mop. Roborock has been a leader in the smart home space for years, but with this model, they have truly outdone themselves. It is packed with next-generation features like an extendable mopping arm, a massive leap in suction power, and a dock that does almost all the maintenance for you. Let's dive into what makes the Qrevo S5V an absolute game-changer for modern households. Let's start with raw performance because, at the end of the day, a robot vacuum needs to actually clean your floors. The Qrevo S5V features a jaw-dropping 12,000 Pascal HyperForce Suction power. To put that into perspective, that is one of the highest suction ratings on the market today. Powered by an advanced brushless motor and optimized airflow, this machine doesn't just pick up surface dust. It pulls out deeply embedded dirt, heavy debris, and stubborn pet hair from thick rugs, deep carpets, and hardwood crevices alike. But high suction often means a nightmare for hair wraps. Thankfully, Roborock solved this with their SGS-Certified Zero-Tangle System. The main cleaning mechanism uses a rubberized floating brush that adapts perfectly to different floor heights while naturally resisting tangles. They paired this with an innovative, arc-shaped side brush that boasts a 0% hair tangling rate. If you have long hair or furry pets running around, you know how annoying it is to constantly flip a robot over and cut tangled hair off the rollers. With this system, you can finally say goodbye to that chore. Now, let's talk about the mopping, because this is where the Qrevo S5V really shines. Traditional robot mops just drag a damp cloth across your floor, which does very little for real stains. The Qrevo S5V, however, utilizes dual spinning mop pads that rotate at 200 RPM. This high-speed rotation mimics the pressure of intense hand mopping to easily lift dried-up spills and sticky messes. Even better, it features Roborock's brilliant FlexiArm design. When the robot detects a corner or a furniture leg, it physically extends its mopping arm outward to reach those hidden edge areas that standard circular robots completely miss. And you don't have to worry about your carpets getting soaked, either. The moment the robot transitions from a hard floor to a rug, its intelligent sensors trigger an automatic 10mm mop lift. The spinning pads lift completely off the ground, allowing the machine to transition into a pure, high-power vacuum mode without leaving a drop of moisture on your low-pile carpets. Plus, through the Roborock app, you can customize the water flow across 30 different levels to ensure your delicate hardwood or durable tile gets the exact amount of moisture it needs. All of this hardware is guided by incredible brain power. The Qrevo S5V uses precise sense LiDAR navigation to perform a 360-degree scan of your home, creating highly detailed, accurate maps in minutes. It supports up to 4 separate floor plans, making it perfect for multi-level homes, and it automatically recognizes which floor it is on the moment you set it down. To handle the daily clutter of a busy household, it relies on Reactive Obstacle Avoidance technology. Using structured light sensors, it detects and navigates around stray cables, shoes, toys, and pet bowls in real time. It even suggests no-go zones automatically if it notices tight spaces under chairs where it might get stuck, ensuring a completely uninterrupted cleaning cycle. Finally, we have to talk about the all-in-one smart dock, because this is what truly delivers the promised hands-free lifestyle. This station automatically empties the robot's dustbin into a sealed bag that holds up to 10 weeks of debris. It also automatically refills the robot's onboard water tank, giving it enough range to mop up to 3,552 square feet on a single run. But the best part? It self-washes the mop pads when it returns to base, and then uses continuous warm air drying to completely eliminate moisture. This prevents any mold, bacteria, or sour odors from developing. All you have to do is occasionally fill the clean water tank and empty the dirty water tank. You can customize all of this through the intuitive Roborock app, scheduling specific rooms, adjusting suction levels, or letting the smart plan AI decide the best cleaning path for you. Just keep in mind, like most smart home tech, it strictly requires a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection for the initial setup. To wrap it all up, the Roborock Qrevo S5V is an absolute masterpiece of automation. With 12,000 pascals of suction, zero-tangle brushes, edge-extending mops, and a completely self-maintaining dock, it takes the work entirely out of your hands. If you want a pristine home without lifting a finger, this is the ultimate investment for your household.